This is day 2 and I finished setting up the iPad Pro. So at the lock screen, you see baby Yoda because I'm still such a big fan of him. I cannot get over him. I mean, I get like expensive mugs like this baby. This is the home screen. I love to have the date and time big and easy to read on the top left. And these are all the apps that I need to use for work. Onto the next page are all the entertainment apps like Disney+, Apple TV, Netflix, shopping, and apps that I don't really use at all. Just a few updates from yesterday. I've decided to use Safari instead of Chrome as my main browser just cause this layout is so much easier to use. On Safari, you actually have the bookmark icon on the top left, so it's easier to access and easier to click. Whereas on the Chrome app, you have to click the 3 dots on the right, then click bookmarks in order to select your bookmarks. So it takes an extra step and not as efficient. So I am definitely gonna use Safari. There are a few apps that I need that are not native to the iPad, so they're a bit funky, and the solution for that I did was to create shortcuts on the home screen. All you have to do is to go to Safari and then go to Instagram.com, click this, and click Add to Home Screen. And there you go. Now it appears on your home screen and you can arrange them like this. For today, we actually have a few to-dos, and I just created my to-do list on the Notes app on the iPad Pro because the Notes app is where I go to do most of my work. Today, I have to script and plan a few videos as well as to unbox and film that tag product at the back, if you guys can see. But yeah, day 2, here we go. It was pretty easy to get used to typing and writing on the iPad. It wasn't that much different from the Mac. But this posture right here, isn't the best for someone with a chronic neck pain like me. My neck will cry if I did this for too long. It would have been best if I got a stand, something like this, to elevate the iPad, or connect the iPad to an external screen.